Hi, hello viewers. Welcome to Toolbox Bangladesh. Is it possible to use the mobile data while the phone is on airplane mode or flight mode? Yes, it's a question, and the answer is yes. You can. You can use your internet or mobile data while you are on flight mode. Flight mode means now my phone is airplane mode. Okay, and Wi-Fi is on. I'm going to turn off flight mode and Wi-Fi, and also turn on my internet data, SIM internet. So now I'm using mobile internet, and of course my flight mode is off, so anyone can call me or reach me over phone. So now I'm gonna show you how to keep using your internet data, turning off your phone or flight mode, turning on flight mode. So viewers, after watching this video, please don't forget to subscribe my channel Toolbox Bangladesh. First of all, I'm going to turn off my data and turn on my mobile phone's airplane mode, that means flight mode. Now I'm on flight mode. And then I'm going to mobile settings. Okay, here is settings, and from internet mobile settings, phone settings, going to about phone. Here is you see Xiaomi system update and device name, and here is internet storage. Give 3 times, press internet storage, this function, 1 2 3. Okay, here you see another menu. It's called phone information 1, phone information 2, and Wi-Fi information. Forget about rest of 2. Go to phone information 1. Okay, from phone information 1, scroll down. Viewers, you see I'm on flight mode now, so, and Wi-Fi is off, so no internet. Now scrolling down, and I see run ping test. Of course it comes failed, is failed, while internet is off, so it cannot be pinged. Here you see mobile radio power, just keep it on. Now mobile radio power is on. Now let's try ping test. Okay, and then keep it on. So mobile radio power is on, and let's ping test. You see ping www.google.com is pass. Another one is failed. That's it's different thing, because I'm using only one SIM. So let's check if internet is okay in flight mode. I'm going to YouTube and toolbox. Toolbox Bangladesh. Here is my channel, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Yes, now you can use internet on flight mode when your airplane mode is on. No problem, you can use internet.